Teacher. Good morning, class. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today, we're going to discuss the homework from last night. Did everyone complete it? Student 1. Yes, I finished it. Teacher. Great. What about you, Sarah? Student to Sarah. I'm sorry, teacher, but I didn't have time to finish it. Teacher. That's all right, Sarah. Is there a specific reason why you couldn't complete it? Sarah. I had a family gathering yesterday, and it took up most of my evening. Teacher. I understand, Sarah. Family time is important too. However, it's crucial that we manage our time effectively to complete our tasks. Please make sure you prioritize your homework in the future. Student 3. Teacher. I had a question about question 3 on the math worksheet. I couldn't figure out the solution. Teacher. Of course, Manwar. I'd be happy to help. Can you describe the problem to me? Manwar. The question was about finding the area of a triangle, but I wasn't sure how to calculate it. Teacher. No problem, Manwar. To find the area of a triangle, we multiply the base by the height and divide the result by 2. Manwar. So I just multiply them and then divide by 2. Teacher. Exactly. That's the formula for finding